Now everything is clean. It's not that hard to clean after yourself, alright? Also, yeah, I wanted to tell you, to show you, I mean. I got some new freaking slippers! Okay, watch. Look at this. Isn't that freaking adorable? Look. Wait. Look, this is one slipper. It's like furry and cute. This is another one. Wow. Cute. I'm so excited to wear that one. Like, look, it has so much fur inside. Oh wait, chill, my hand. Looks like blood, but it's not. Alright. Look, it's so cute. So cute. And the last one. Ta-da! Wait. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Yeah, that's it. I've showed you my new slippers.